Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. This video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 7 chapter 9 linear equations in one variable exercise 9C questions 12, 13 and 14. So friends, without wasting any time, let us begin. This is find three consecutive numbers whose sum is 108, right? 108. Now we have to find any three numbers whose sum is 108. And the thing is, they have to be consecutive numbers. That means one after another. Suppose 1, so then 2 and 3. Like this we have to see. But one thing is that their sum should be 108. Like if I have to make consecutive numbers from, let's say, 5, right? So I'll add 1 in this, so I get 6. This is one consecutive number. But here we have to make 3. So for 3 what I will do? I will add 5 plus 2. This will be 7. Right, and then I will do 5 plus 3, this will be 8. So 3 consecutive numbers after 5, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? Like this we have to use with the variables also. So first number we can assume as, we can write it here that first number, let's assume this as x. Alright, we assume this as x, and if imagine here that our number is 5, like this example I had shown you. So if our number is 5, we have to make a consecutive number out of that. We add 1. If we have to make 2, then we add 1 and then 2. And then if we have to make 3 consecutive numbers, then we add 1, 2 and 3, so on, right? Same thing we'll do here as well. You can write here the second number becomes x plus 1, because here you can see that our first number was 5. And after that we are to make 3 consecutive numbers of 5, right? So 6, 7 and 8 and plus 1. Alright, so you can see x plus 1 is our second number. And for our third number, right? For our third number, what are we supposed to do? X plus 2, right? This will give us a consecutive number. So these 3 consecutive numbers we have got. Alright. Now this means now we will find their sum. Alright, so sum of their sum is 108 as given in the question. So our equation becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 2, or so you can write it like this: x plus 1 and plus x plus 2 is equal to 108, right? So how many x do we have here? 1, 2 and 3, 3x, right? So this becomes 3x plus 1 and 2 is 3, so 3 is equal to 108, right? So 3x equals to 108 minus 5, right? Minus, sorry, not 5, this is 3, sorry. So this becomes 3x equals to 105, right? And so x is equal to 105 upon 3. This we cancel 1 and this also we cancel, so 35, right? So this means what? That our first number was x and x equals to 35. We can write it here that x is equal to 35, right? So our first number is 35. You can write it here and in the answers column, right? First number 35. Second number, simply add 1 in 35, because here it is x plus 1, so it becomes 35 plus 1, that is 36. And third number becomes 35 plus 2, so that is 37. Alright, so these are the 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 108, 35, 36 and 37. Now let us move on to the next question. This is find 2 consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 56, right? So 2 consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 56. So first number, which odd number which we can take, let's say first number becomes 2x plus 1. And why so? First number becomes 2x plus 1. Why? Because this x is our assumed odd number, right? Sorry, assumed number, that is an odd number of that becomes 2x plus 1. Alright, now one thing more, that is the second number. This also we have to assume. So 2x here will be the same. The only change which will make it over here will be this one. So 2x and plus, we turn this one to another odd number, right? Never make it an even number. You cannot make this 2. We have to make it any odd number only. So let's say 3, right? So this is done, and their sum is 56, right? Their sum is 56. Now we will make our equation. So our equation turns out to be 2x, alright, 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 56. So we get 4x plus 4 is equal to 56. 4x is equal to 56 minus 4, right? This will be x equals to 52 upon 4, alright. 1 and 52 goes how many times? 1 and 3, 13 times, right? So x is equal to 13. This is 13, x is 13, right? Now here our first number is 2x plus 1. So x is 13. So 2x plus 1 becomes 13 into 2 plus 1, and that is going to be 27, right? So you write it here that our first number, alright, first number is 2x plus 1, x is 13. So 2 into 13 plus 1 is 27, right? First number is 27, and hence our second number becomes, second number is 2x plus 3. So again 2 into 13, 26, plus 3 is 29, right? 29. Verify this. 27 plus 29 is 56, right? So this is our answer. And now let us move on to the next question. Now let us move on to the next one. This is find two consecutive even numbers whose sum is 86. Again we will first of all assume the first number, right? First number, so this becomes 2x, right? And then in the second number, what are we going to do? So 2x is our first number, second number will be 2x, but one change will be there, that 2x plus 2. And why plus 2? As we had during the previous question, we changed 1 to 3. Here we will change it to an even number, right? So 1 is not there, but still we add 2 in this to make this to make this look like it is going to be an even number. It will be an even number, and we know that their sum is 86, right? So what are we supposed to do now? We make the equation, right? So 2x plus 2 is equal to 86, right? This we have done. So this becomes 4x plus 2 is equal to 86, right? So 4x is equal to 86 minus 2, and in last x is equal to 84 upon 4, right? So 1 and 21, right? So x is equal to 21. So our first number will be 21 into 2, right? You can write it here that our first number is 21 into 2, and that will be 2 and 4, 42, right? So first number is 42. Now the second number. So we know that 2x is 42. So 2x plus 2, 42 plus 2, that is 44, right? And we get our answer. This becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself.